Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some bedroom cleaning motivation. So if you have been slacking on the bedroom chores like I have, get up and we are going to tackle this together. We are about to get this cleaning motivation started. Hey, let's start it. Hey, let's get up and clean, y'all. Let's go. Okay guys, don't judge me. My room is a mess. I have my wigs on a bed. These jeans are from a DIY project that I did. The food menu is on the bed because I just ordered the groceries. And my kids were eating their snacks while I was doing their hair. So it's hair stuff all over the place. And the hair band is pulled out that you're going to see right here. You guys, the room is a hot mess, but that's okay. I'm about to tackle it. I'm about to clean it now. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to put away these wigs, and then I'm going to put on some music because I cannot clean without no music or something on. I'm going to pick up the stuff off the floor, clear off the bed, and start by making the bed first. You guys, I apologize for the lighting on this clip. I forgot to turn my ring light on, but I am gathering all the kids' toys into this Walmart bag, and I'm going to take it to their room. I don't know why my room have become the new toy box, but you guys know when you have kids, toys are everywhere. So I'm going to be using this Clorox bleach spray to sanitize and wipe down my vanity. And I like to take the time to introduce myself to anyone who is new to my channel. My name is Tanya. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 4 and stepmom to 2. On my channel, you can find cleaning motivation like this, some beauty, and some DIYs occasionally, and motherhood. So if you like that, please subscribe and be a part of my fam bam. To all my new subscribers, thank you for being part of my fam bam. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and showing my page some love once again and watching another video. So right here, I am wiping down the top of this vanity because it gets really dusty, and then I'm going to move on to cleaning the mirrors. I'm going to be using Sprayway. I absolutely love this stuff to clean my mirrors, and a microfiber cloth. You guys, this little mirror right here used to be my vanity table, and I turned it into a full body mirror. You gotta love DIY projects. I'm gonna start vacuuming this area. I am using our little Bissell vacuum. This is the kids vacuum. Usually the kids use this vacuum when they're doing their chores, but our other vacuum is charging, so I'm gonna use this one and start vacuuming. Fun fact, the music that you are listening to is the very same music that I was playing. But moving on to the other side of the room. So my thoughts on this little vacuum, I think it works well for kids, and I think it works well to clean out the couches because you can detach it. But honey, the struggle is real trying to go over this carpet with this vacuum. The suction is not that great. It does its job, but y'all see I had to keep going over and over and over and over the carpet. For hanging out with me this Friday. I hope this video gave you the motivation that you need to clean your room as well. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure your post notifications are on so you will not miss out on any more cleaning motivation videos like this from me. And stay tuned for Tuesdays. I'm bringing you a new series called Beauty Tuesdays. You don't want to miss that. I hope you guys have a blessed and safe weekend, and I will see you next week in another video. Bye, y'all.